Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So in today's video, we're just going to do a quick unboxing of the brand new Insta360 X6. Now, by the time I'm uploading this unboxing, I will have already uploaded my full overview of the camera. So I will include a link to it down in the description of this video if you want to learn about all the details of this camera. Now, I don't really know too much about this camera yet, so I'm not going to make any comment on the capabilities. But there are some major changes with the X6, including a new form factor. It's smaller and more compact, bringing it more in line with a traditional action camera. It's going to be easier to mount in some scenarios, especially if you're going to be mounting this on a chest mount. It's got a brand new sensor in it. It now features a square 1/1.1 inch sensor. And I should mention that this is the Essentials bundle, so it's going to come with some extra accessories, extra battery, charging hub, and a selfie stick. So let's start here. So you can see here we get some literature, we get some stickers, quick start guide, some safety guidelines, and then here we have a protective pouch. It feels like there is something inside the pouch. And indeed, here we have a charging and data cable, and we also have a cleaning cloth. Below that, we have the charging hub. You can see there to hold two batteries. This is a quick charger, and the batteries have got an upgrade as well for the X6. They're rated for 140 minutes of runtime, continuous runtime, while filming in 8K. So that's a nice little upgrade. As you can see here, it's got its own built-in charging cable. It's kind of neat. Here we have an extension pole, kind of a standard extension pole. And then over here, we have the camera. Let's see, when we take it out of the package, we have a lens guard on it. So let's take that off. Some stickers to remove. So as you can see, the form factor has indeed been changed. It's a lot shorter, but it kind of gives it more of a shape of a traditional action camera. These lenses have been upgraded as well. These are now their replaceable lenses 2.0. They're stronger, so they're less prone to scratches and damage. If you have to replace them, they're a lot easier to replace. And the cost of replacing them is down by, I think it says 60%. We have a nice big power button there on the side and a record button. Still features magnetic mounting at the bottom with a 1/4-20 there in the middle. And something else that's new is that they have these new magnetic leads. So that's going to be for different accessories that are going to be available for it, including a power handle, which I don't have yet, but I do plan on ordering once it does become available. And it also has built-in storage. This is the first 360 camera from Insta360 that has built-in storage. It comes with 47 gigabytes of built-in storage, which can be really important if you happen to forget a memory card or your memory card gets full while you're out capturing. So that is a nice upgrade as well. Now, there are many other upgrades and enhancements, such as the ability to capture in 10-bit. It's got some new audio capabilities, including a windscreen that will help significantly cut back wind noise in some scenarios. It's got NFC for quick pairing to your smartphone. It can capture in 5K in single lens mode. Plus, there are many other enhancements. And as mentioned, if you want to see everything that's new, then definitely go and check out my full review. Now, many of the accessories that were available for the X5 and older cameras are going to be still compatible with the X6, but due to the form factor change, there'll be a few that no longer work. I am going to upload a full accessory guide coming up shortly. So that is the new X6. As mentioned, just a quick unboxing video. This is not a review. If you want to learn more about this camera, definitely go and check out my full review. If you're brand new to the 360 world, you've never used a 360 camera before, make sure you stay tuned as I will be uploading a full beginner's guide in the coming weeks. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.